gonna say something a little bit harsh, but why are you still struggling to make an extra $3,000 a month online when the tools are literally sitting right in front of you? There is more opportunity right now than at any other point in human history, yet most of you are just scrolling. You're waiting for a permission slip that isn't coming. Stop looking for a job and start looking for a system. In today's video, I'm giving you the blueprint for a ghost agency. You don't need capital to start, and you don't even need the technical skills to deliver the work. This is called contractor arbitrage paired with AI automation. You find a business with a bottleneck like lead follow-up or content creation, and you use a specialized AI agent to solve it. You aren't the laborer, you're the architect. Here is the math. You charge a client $2,000 a month to manage their systems. You pay a specialist or an AI tool $500 to do the actual heavy lifting. You keep the $1,500 difference. That's pure profit. Do that for 2 clients and you've replaced a full-time income. You're being paid for the result, not your time. Even if you're a complete beginner, this is a 6-figure journey if you take it seriously. Most people stay stuck because they're shy or they're lazy, but if you put in the work for the next 6 months, you'll look back and realize this was the moment everything changed. I've laid out the instructions in the description. You can either close this video and keep scrolling, or you can start. If you want my specific list of 2026 AI tools for this model, comment the word system below. I'll see you in the next one.